Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine at home and doing well. So, children, in previous class I told you the chapter a shirt in the market. You know children, when we purchase a shirt, to how many chains to add the shirt in the market? How it comes to us? It is the chain of workers and retailers, wholesalers and shopkeepers and factory manufacturers. Okay children, now in this chapter we are going to learn about struggle for equality. Okay, so before start this lesson, let's learn good habit. Children, be attentive in the classroom. You know children, when we study in classroom we all should keep silent and we should try to listen what our teacher is teaching us. It's very important time, and it is our responsibility also to study well, because we are our parents are also paying a lot. They are working hard for us and for our study, so we all should be attentive in the classroom. Now let's come on our topic. So children, I told you about the equality in first chapter. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the equality again. So the equality means the feeling of oneness, that the Indian Constitution recognizes all Indians are equal before the law and states that no person can be discriminated against because of their religion, sex, caste, or whether they are rich or poor. All adults in India have the equal right to vote during elections, and this power over the ballot box has been used by people to elect or replace their representatives. This is called what children? Universal adult franchise. So, but this feeling of equality that the ballot box provides, because the vote of one person is as good as that of another, does not extend to most people lives. Okay children, so as you have seen that the increasing privatization in health services and the neglect of government hospitals have made it difficult for most poor people. Okay children, the poor person don't get good equality health care. These people do not have the resources to afford expensive private health services. Okay children, similarly the man who sells juice does not have the resources to compete with all of the major companies who sell branded drinks through expensive advertising. Okay children, so they suffer a lot. So throughout the world, children, there is a SDG that works for no poverty, sustainable development goal. Okay children, so poverty and the lack of resources continue to be a key reason why so many people's lives in India are highly unequal. So throughout the world, in every community, village, city and town, you will find that there are some people who are known and respected because of their fight for equality. These people may have stood up against an act of discrimination that they faced or which they witnessed. Okay children, so or they may be well respected because they treat all persons with dignity and are therefore trusted and called upon to resolve issues in the community. Often children, some of these persons become more widely recognized because they have the support or represent large members of people who have united to address a particular issue of inequality. In India, there are several struggles in which people have come together to fight for issues that they have believe are important. So in as this the Tawa Matsya Sangh in Madhya Pradesh is example of people coming together to fight for an issue. There are so many such struggles, such as those among beedi workers, fisher folk, agricultural laborers, slum dwellers, and each group is struggling for justice in its own way. There are also many attempts to form cooperatives or other collective ways by which people can have more control over resources. So, Tawa Matsya Sangh, when dams are built or forest areas declared sanctuaries for animals, thousands of people are displaced, whole villages are uprooted, and people are forced to go and build new homes, start new lives elsewhere. Most of these people are poor in urban areas too. Bastis in which poor people live are often uprooted. Some of them are relocated to areas outside the city, and their work as well as their children's schooling is severely disrupted by because of the distance from the outskirts of the city to these locations. And this displacement of people and community is a problem that has become quite widespread in our country, and people usually come together to fight against this. There are several organizations across the country fighting for the rights of the displaced. In in this, the Tawa Mata Sangh, a federation of fisher workers, cooperatives, an organization fighting for the rights of the displaced forest dwellers of the Satpura forest in Madhya Pradesh, and originating in Mahodhya Hills of Chindwara district. The Tawa flows through Beetle before joining the Narmada in Hoshangabad. And the Tawa River Dam began to be built in 1958 and was completed in 1978. Okay, children. So, in newly formed Tawa Matas Sangh organized rallies and Chakka Jam road blockade demanding that their right to continue fishing for their livelihood. In response to their protest, the government created a committee to assess the issue. The committee recommended that fishing rights to be granted to the villagers for their livelihood. So in 1996, the Madhya Pradesh government decided to give to the people displaced by the Tawa Dam fishing rights for the reservoir. A 5-year lease agreement was also signed 2 months later. On January 2, 1997, people from 33 villages of Tawa started the new year with the first catch. So, what is children creative expression against inequality? So while some join protest movements to fight inequality, others might use their pen or their voice or their ability to dance to draw attention issues of inequality. Like you can see Nukkad Natak, Nukkad program, road show. Writers, singers, dancers and artists have also been very active in the fight against inequality. Often poems, songs and stories can also inspire us and make us believe strongly in an issue and influence our efforts to correct the situation. Children, the foundation of all movements for justice and the inspiration for all the poetry and songs on equality is the recognition that all people are equal. As you know, the Indian Constitution recognizes the equality for all persons. Movements and struggles for equality in India continuously refer to the Indian Constitution to make their point about equality and justice for all. So the fish workers in the Tawa Matsya Sangh hope that the provisions of the constitution will become a reality through their participation in this movement, and by constantly referring to the constitution they use it as a living document and something that has real meaning in our lives. So, in a democracy, there are always communities and individuals trying to expand the idea of democracy and push for a greater recognition of equality on existing as well as new issues. So, issues of equality are central to a democracy. In this book, we have tried to highlight issues that pose a challenge in this to this idea of equality in a democracy. Okay, children. So now revise this concept, and today your second unit of social and political life is finished. Now complete all the question answers, all exercises related to this concept in your notebook and come to school for correction and learn also because your exams are near. Okay, children. Now do good, be good, and take care of yourself and your family. Have a good day.